welcome back to another video. It's Shan Yvonne here, and today I'm going to be organizing my fridge and my freezer. This took me multiple days because I am still healing from injuring my thumb, so I struggled a little bit. I took me a break, but I came back and I finished it for you guys, so I really do hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you give me a like if you do, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and turn your notification bell on so you don't miss any future uploads. Now, let's get to organizing this fridge.
Tired of thinking we can get through anything, 'cause I can't move on if you can't be strong. But every time I
wasn't able to get any like organization bins and containers. We're having issues getting things shipped right now. I'm an Amazon shopper. I don't know about you guys, but Amazon is not delivering right now to my area. It was kind of hard, but I decided to still make this video for you guys. My fridge needed to be cleaned. It's a new refrigerator. They put it in when we moved, but I hadn't even removed the stickers. It just needs to get wiped out. So I do hope you guys like this video.
So you say you wanna change, but lately things have been the same. And it's my heart you're holding back again. And I can't be strong if you can't move on. Every time I hear you say my name, it always feels the same.
So here's a close-up of how dirty my fridge actually is. Sometimes it's hard to see on the camera because of the lighting and everything, but it really was dirty and was in need of a good scrub down.
Always feels the same, 'cause I've loved you for a lifetime. Now is the time for you.
So to clean out the fridge, I am just using a microfiber cloth with some good old dish soap and water. Nothing special. It did the job and I felt comfortable using it because I didn't really want to use any products inside of my fridge. So I'm just using soap and water and it got it real clean. Okay, squeaky clean.
We can run through fire and rain, but it always feels the same, 'cause I've loved you for a lifetime. When I hear you say my name, it always feels the same, 'cause I've loved you for a lifetime.
To leave me a like if you guys are enjoying my video. I also want to thank you guys so much for supporting me. We made it to 600 subscribers. I could not be more thankful. This has just been an amazing experience. I'm enjoying making videos for you guys. I hope that you enjoy watching them. I have so many ideas of videos I'm going to make in the future, so if you have any type of video you'd like to see me make, let me know down in the comments below, because I do want to make content that you guys enjoy.
Heart that's yours forever. If I could fly right back to where I belong, fly right back to my home sweet home. If I could, I'd take it all back and fly high up above the open sea into another destiny. I close my eyes and I'm back in your arms, back in your arms. I fly. Sometimes it feels like you just wanna run.
this moment that I realized that this drawer switched from left to right, and I thought this whole time that it had to stay on the left side, so of course I switched it to the right for a different look because I thought it was stuck like that.
Back to where I belong, fly right back to my home, sweet home. If I could, I'd take it all back and fly high up above the open sea into another destiny. I close my eyes and I'm back in your arms, back in your arms. I'd fly. If I could fly, I'd fly right back to where I belong, fly right back to my home, sweet home. If I could, I'd take it all back and fly high up above the open sea into another destiny. I close my eyes and I'm back in your arms, back in your arms. I'd fly. I'd
After I got the fridge all wiped down, I decided to start putting things back in there. My husband's off to the side. He won't be in the video this time, you guys, but he is still helping me as usual. He's just handing me the items because my thumb is in a lot of pain. You don't really realize how much you need your thumb until you can't really use it. So, I appreciate all the help. I know you guys always comment on my husband being in my videos. He is very helpful and I'm very thankful.
make it alright, 'cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. Ooh, I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. Yeah, just give me one.
Okay, so this is what we came up with for the fridge. I'm actually very satisfied with how it turned out. Everything is neat and organized. We can see exactly what we have and things aren't going to waste and expiring because we're able to see what we have. Now we're gonna move on to the freezer. This was about 3 to 4 days later. I will not lie to you guys. I was in a lot of pain after doing the fridge organization. Lifting all that stuff really bothered my thumb. So I took me a break, but now I'm back and I'm gonna get this freezer all organized as well.
Don't know what to do if you go. Gone over this 1,000 times before. Baby, it's now or never. Gotta leave this town, and I know what you're asking for. You say it's out of my reach, but I can't pretend.
For the freezer, I wanted to use more than just dish soap and water, so I'm using this Method all-purpose cleaner in Honeycrisp apple scent. This stuff smells so amazing. I love it. Have you guys tried it? Let me know in the comments down below. I will link it in the description box in case you want to try it. Let me know what you think.
You can't ask me to surrender when reaching for the dream that keeps me alive. 'Cause it's keeping me alive. Interstate might take me nowhere. Anywhere is better than the places I have been. Sunsets in my rearview mirror, a projection of my old life fading. You say it's out of my reach, but I can't pretend no more. 'Cause for as long as
How often do you guys clean out your fridge and freezer? I will admit that I don't do this nearly as much as I should. Ideally, I would do this every 2 or 3 days because we do accumulate a lot of leftovers. I cook every single day and I don't really give us a chance to even eat the leftovers, before we're putting more leftovers in the fridge. So I need to come up with a new system for that. So let me know what you guys do. How often do you clean out your fridge?
'cause it's keeping me alive. Lost outside of nowhere, a stormy rain tried to wash away the dream. Staff wanted says a worn outside, and the diner's name is California Dreams. Hey, oh, for as long as I remember, it's been stuck inside my mind. You can't ask me to surrender.
It took us a while to figure out exactly how we wanted to place everything in our freezer because our freezer is very, very small, and if you don't put things in here the right way, you will not know what you have, and that's been our issue. I grocery shop a lot, but there's things in here that get hidden, and we don't know they're there. So I'm trying to position things in a way that when we open it, we can see exactly what we have.
When reaching for the dream keeps me alive. Hey, keeps me alive. Oh, for as long as I remember. Even if I try to leave, you still make me wanna stay. You ask me to believe in the words that you say, but I can't be strong.
We decided to do fruit and veggies at the top, meats at the bottom. I have like frozen waffles and breakfast sausages and hot dogs in the doorway. I'm so satisfied with how this turned out, you guys. Let me know if you like this video. Leave me a like if you do. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn your notification bell on so you don't miss any uploads. And stay tuned for more videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.